was really great to attend this workshop on early childhood education. It was really useful as a mother and as a psychologist and as someone who's been exposed to positive discipline.
And honestly, I just found it as an opportunity when Trillium advertised for this workshop.
opportunity ان يجي لنا اكسبرت يدينا الورك شوب دي في مصر، دي حاجه مش بتحصل قوي.
Getting my first certification from Cheryl Erwin, who was a big help to everyone in the workshop.
Cheryl has been an inspiration, honestly.
An enormous asset. She's so knowledgeable and she's so kind and she's so compassionate and very passionate about what she does. And that definitely inspires us all to want to learn more.
And I love the workshop. I love the activities that we've been doing. It's been teaching me a lot.
This in-depth workshop was really helpful in learning about how to work with children and how to even understand our own children.
الدنيا كانت منظمه قوي، اتكلمنا على بوينتس كتيره وانه على طول نقدر نقول الكويستشنز بتاعتنا وهي تشيرل بتجاوبنا.
I feel so grateful getting to meet all the people in the workshop who are all passionate about kids and positive discipline.
Trillium has been great in organizing all this workshop and everything's been really wonderful, and I look forward to upcoming workshops.
Thank you. It was a great opportunity.